60 Fenwick Allee, unit number 135, a beautifully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go on in and take a look. And so just to our left, immediately off the entryway, is our utility closet. We have our water heater, washer and dryer stacker there, and our air handler and the breaker box in the event that you need to know the location of those items. And just on the other side of the hallway is bedroom one for the bathroom one rather for the first bedroom. As you can see, we have our nice tile shower. Glass to the closet there, commode, single sink, and our storage area there for your linen. And it just takes us into the bedroom. We've got our ceiling fan, beautiful scenery in the background there, nice and private, and just bright and beautiful room. So much natural light coming in, and it's consistent throughout this unit. As we go outside the bedroom, we'll kind of take a look to our right again. So much light coming in, nice and private. As we go from the sitting room, open up into the living area, and you can see the kitchen there in the background. We also have a gas fireplace there. And this just does a full loop kind of where we came in there, where we first looked at the utility closet. Beautiful counters. And our single sink, nice and deep. 4-burner electric stove, a range, microwave, coffee maker, refrigerator. All the things that you'll need to make a great start to your day. And you're still able to carry on a conversation. Nice flow just across from the living room. We also have a little desk here off to the side. Could be a small area for work or for the kids to do homework. And then into bedroom number 2. Again, you know, not as many windows, but still so bright. It's just beautiful. And then off the bedroom is bathroom number 2. Closet area. Single sink tub with the tiled shower walls again. Nice walk-in closet there. And the commode just off in the corner. And that's the overview of Unit 135. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.